You use it every day. You write on it. You print on it. But have you ever wondered how paper is really made?
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how paper is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This tree is about to become the paper that writes your story.
Selected timber is harvested with precision to supply modern paper mills.
The logs are cleaned and prepared before their journey to become paper. Sorted by grade and size, the timber is prepared for transport to the paper factory. Each load carries the raw fiber that will soon be transformed into paper. Transport vehicles deliver harvested timber directly to paper manufacturing facilities. Every shipment is logged, verified, and cleared before entering the paper mill. Inside the yard, the raw materials for paper are measured and organized. Precise weighing ensures accurate fiber supply for consistent paper production. Specialized unloading systems prepare the logs for entry into paper processing lines. Gravity and automation guide the timber into the first stage of paper manufacturing. The logs now move steadily toward the machines that will unlock their paper-making fibers.
Inside the paper factory, the first transformation begins with debarking.
Bark is stripped away to expose the clean wood fibers needed for paper. With bark removed, the logs enter the heart of the paper mill. Next, the wood is reduced into uniform chips for efficient paper pulping. Precision cutting ensures consistent chip size for uniform paper quality. The prepared chips are lifted and stored, ready for the pulping stage of paper production. Before pulping, the wood chips are screened to ensure consistency for high-quality paper. Uniform chip size guarantees efficient fiber breakdown in the paper digester. Material that doesn't meet paper standards is resized and returned to the process. Even microscopic contaminants are removed to protect paper processing equipment.
Washing prepares the fibers for chemical cooking in paper production. Moisture levels are controlled to ensure balanced paper pulp chemistry.
Now the wood fibers descent into the core of modern paper pulping. Inside the digester, heat and chemicals begin separating fibers for paper. Under controlled heat and pressure, lignin dissolves, freeing the fibers for paper. The cocoa fibers are discharged as pulp, the foundation of every sheet of paper. Washing purifies the pulp, preparing it for refining in paper production. Screening ensures uniform fiber consistency for high-quality paper. Balanced fiber suspension is critical before refining shapes the paper structure.
Refining enhances fiber bonding, strengthening the future sheet of paper.
The refined pulp is evenly distributed to begin forming a continuous sheet of paper.
Gravity and vacuum remove water as fibers interlock into a fragile web of paper.
Pressing strengthens the sheet, preparing the paper for drying. Heat removes remaining moisture, transforming pulp
into stable paper. Drying reveals the true structure of the developing paper. Calendaring refines thickness and surface quality for precise in paper standards. Now formed and dried, the paper is collected into jumbo reels. Automation takes control as each paper reel reaches its target dimensions. Heavy reels are transferred seamlessly to precision cutting systems for paper conversion. Computer-guided blades divide the master roll into exact paper widths. Each cut is synchronized to maintain uniform paper tension and alignment. Automation ensures every pallet of paper is uniform and ready for inspection.
Protective wrapping shields the paper during handling and storage.
Automation ensures every pallet of paper is uniform and ready for inspection. From large rolls to final formats, paper now enters its finishing state. Precision cutters transform continuous rolls into perfectly sized paper sheets. Alignment guarantees sharp edges and consistent paper dimensions. Each ream of paper is counted, sealed, and labeled for traceability. Grouped and boxed, the finished paper is prepared for shipment. Now packaged, the paper advances to final quality verification. Samples are selected to verify consistency and surface integrity.
Accurate thickness ensures reliable performance in every sheet of paper.
Strength testing confirms the structural integrity of the finished paper. Optical analysis verifies the brightness and clarity expected of quality paper. With testing complete, the finished paper is cleared for distribution.
Organized storage ensures efficient inventory rotation for paper distribution.
When orders arrive, paper shipments move swiftly to the loading bays.
From raw fiber to finished product, the journey of paper reaches completion.
And this is how modern factories produce paper from start to finish.